Okay, like I've literally tried to record this like 6 times. But anyway, I just saw a post about Bernie, possible presidential run 2028. And I'm letting y'all know right now, I love Bernie. I love him with everything in me. I mean, I love him. But I need my people that are in their 80s and late 70s to start showing us, or rallying behind someone who are in some of these potential leaders who are in their 40s, 50s, hell, even 60s. You know what I'm saying? Like Biden screwed up. Instead of announcing his run for presidential election, he should have been giving us someone else, like backing someone else, like introducing us to something new, someone new. Like I am sick of, for the last couple of daggone elections, like this is all, we have the same people running, and this is all we have to offer in the United States. This is all we have to offer. Seriously, this is it. We have nothing else to offer. The same people running, the same people. This is like, there has to be somebody who does not have the clout that these people have paid money for and have great ideas, great leadership skills, to be introduce us to them. We just don't know them right now. We just don't know them right now, and we could know them if they would just introduce us to them. So I'm not excited about, if this is true, I'm not excited about Bernie running. I'm not, because I'm starting to think it's really selfish. It's really selfish. Biden was selfish with that. Like I'm sick of selfish 80-year-olds thinking they can save the United States. Y'all had all these years in office to figure it out. All these years. Like literally you're a career politician. You've had all these years in office. I'm done. Oh, I'm so done. And yes, what I'm saying does sound like age discrimination. Yes. I'm not going to deny it. No, I'm not denying it. Yes, it does sound like age discrimination. Yep. Argue with your mom. Yep. Yep. I need fresh new ideas. I don't want going back to the good old days. I don't need that. I need fresh new ideas.